Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 20th of October 2024. I'll be going over my weekly prediction for gold, which is XAU/USD. As usual, I'll be going over the monthly, weekly, and finally the daily charts. And then I'll switch over to the Excel sheet where we'll review last week's prediction and go over this one in more detail. But before getting into this video, it is important to make the disclaimer that all information here is completely educational, and therefore it is important to conduct your own analysis, whatever analysis that may be, to ensure that you're comfortable with the risk, reward, and trading style, since you may not be with mine. So with that out of the way, let's just get into this video. Now, gold, we can see, is quite interesting, since the volume of it is actually decreasing, but we can see the price action is increasing quite steadily. Gold historically is known to be a hedge against inflation and such. It's a very kind of safe commodity that a lot of people buy as a safety hedge, actually. MACD, we can see, is rocketing, and it's actually increasing. The difference between these averages is increasing, showing that this uptrend is actually quite well supported in terms of price action, and Bollinger Bands have actually expanded quite a bit. Usually, if we do see some breakouts, yes, there is this upwards movement, but after a while, we do end up seeing reversions to the mean, so we do need to be kind of aware of a drawn-out uptrend. But to be fair, the uptrend, the volume in this uptrend is a curve. It did increase until here, and then it started decreasing all the way down until where we are now. Now, weekly charts, we can see very similar, overarchingly uptrend. I've drawn two trend lines, one more of the long term and one more shorter term price action. In this chart, we can see volume is slightly declining, however, nothing major. MACD is still bullish, and again, bullish signals all the way for gold. Price action is extremely high, extremely bullish and not particularly volatile, but this is kind of what we're seeing anyways. Same exact thing. Daily charts, steady volume throughout the whole uptrend, even though, to be fair, it should have been higher. It did actually increase until here, and then it flattened out, actually decreased, and the MACD actually crossed and gave us a bullish signal on the last day. Although that doesn't mean much, since this tends to happen quite often in the daily charts, that is actually something to look out for. And considering that it actually just crossed the Bollinger Band's upper band, that could actually mean quite a strong bullish signal coming from gold. Let me switch over here. Right, so here we are. This is the Excel sheet for gold. And let me just move this here so it's easier to see. We can see that last week we made a profit. Feel free to read through these numbers since the trade worked. This week we'll buy when it crosses 2,740 and sell when it falls below 2,685.48 with a target of 2% and a trailing stop loss of 1%. If neither is hit, then we will close on Friday. The weekly and monthly trend is up. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.